I'm going to show you some automation using Codex, which is kind of like Claude Code, and then some of my micro automations about why I'm the best in automating the creation of design system component libraries. P.S. I'm currently working on Design Systems Agent, which is a CLI interface integrated with an LLM, giving access to do way more than the Figma API can do via the command line /LLM. But for now, I put in my Figma API key, and the goal is to insert all of the links from these pages into here. That way, this newly updated design, here's what the previous one looked like, has a better style and feel and more Gitlab vibe. And you don't have to constantly worry about moving the pages panel up and down, and you can have the layers panel fully exposed because the link to each page will be inside of the artboard itself, as well as a link to the official documentation for each particular page. Let's get started. I'll ask you to put the links inside of Visual Studio Code so it's accessible via a text editor. Great, I'll isolate the pages that we need links for. Awesome, everything is in order. Now I'll write a micro automation in order to paste all of these links accurately the first time inside of each text label, text box. I'll also automate the naming of the layers as well, since we're cleaning things up. And I'll go ahead and use my micro automation LLM guide and record the sequence of keyboard shortcuts. That way I don't have to write it by hand. This is the beginning of an AppleScript, and I will go ahead and provide the LLM guide that you need. Let's get started. First step is to activate Visual Studio Code. Shift Control with the right key, Command C, activate Figma, Command R, Command V, Enter key, Enter key, Enter key, Tab key, Enter key, activate Visual Studio Code, Command right key, Shift Command left key, Shift Option right key, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Shift right key 1 time. Command C, activate Figma. Shift Command U, Command V, Enter key, Command U, Shift Return. Sorry, instead of that pass Shift Return, it's Escape key. Shift Return, Shift Return, Shift Return. Tab key, activate Visual Studio Code. Down key, Command left key. End of sequence. Okay, great. I'm gonna tell it to make a micro automation based off my instructions that I recorded that will be transcribed with my LLM micro automation guide. Okay, great, it's ready. I'll make a nice big delay. Let's try it out once. So far, so good. 4, 5, shift, copy. Oh my gosh. So let's click on here and see if it goes to the alert page. It does. It works the first time, as it always does. Okay, let's try to loop it twice. Okay, avatar got linked properly. And so did badge. Great. Let's try to do 5 times. I'll go ahead and do a time lapse now. Okay, I'll stop it because I didn't account for the ones that have 2 words. Actually, I'll just change all of the 2 words to be 1 word and then put a space in them later. That way we can run the whole thing. Improvise. Okay, so I'm gonna back up and we're gonna redo broadcast message. And I'll start here. And let's go ahead and do all of them. So 30 minus 6, let this run. And I'm keeping it at 0.5 seconds in between each because it's working. Now, could I have done this faster manually? Yes. Is the probability that I would have made a mistake and have exhausted more mental energy to make sure that, number one, I copied all of these links correctly and then put them inside of the document, and that I'm placing them inside of the right text box and not missing it? This is accurate the first time. You get to automate, it's more fun, and you can do something else. Take a little break, which helps on the cognitive load of knowledge work. So I'll leave it at that and I'll let this finish, and I'm gonna go make a coffee. Looks like we got into a little bit of a mess. Let's check it out. All right, seems fine, let's keep going. We'll do 5 at a time. Sometimes it gets overloaded because the image should be inside of here, like that. Let's try it out to confirm. Let's speed it up a little bit. Let's try 0.3. Yep, that was it. I'll just fix these quickly. Okay, so now we have the proper structure for all of our items, and we can continue on from line 14. Okay, great, all done. Let's fix our layer names that we need to put a space in between: broadcast message, button group, progress bar, and skeleton loader. Great. I'll go ahead and paste it on every page. I could write a script for this, obviously, but it's just a couple keyboard shortcuts. This is real time. All right, all done. Not all the elements pasted, but I'll come back to that, but it'll be enough to... So if I go to alert, we're at the alert page. If I go to forms, spinner. So that's how you can have a very complicated component library design, but maintain it easily through automation via me. Thanks for watching.